So you've chosen your new kitchen and your appliances, and you've been provided with a 3D image to visualise your new kitchen. You will, however, need to factor in at this stage the cost for moving any additional plumbing or electrics.
Of course, installing a new kitchen is a big investment, so why not ask your B&Q consultant about credit options? As well as all the practical considerations, because of course you are going to be without a kitchen for a while, there are a couple of options to consider when it comes to the actual installation of the kitchen. B&Q do offer a full installation service with a 5-year guarantee. Check it out at DIY.com, and they will take away your old units and dispose of them responsibly.
Now, you may want to employ your own independent builder, and one of the best ways of doing this is to go through a recommendation. You know, a family or friend, somebody who's had a personal experience or working relationship with a builder or a tradesperson.
You can't get better than that. And the other thing is to plan ahead, because of course all the best builders get booked up well in advance, so the minute you've sourced him or her, get them booked even if it means you have to wait.
And remember, before any work starts, make sure that you've got everything written down, including timescales and a fixed cost for the whole job. Now, communication is key. It's really important to establish early on who's doing what and when. There can be some crossover between trades.
The average kitchen installation can take a week, and some can be longer, so you've got to think about eating, whether you live on your own or with your family. Maybe you could cook and freeze enough meals for a week, get the number of a good takeaway, or set up a temporary kitchen somewhere else in the house.
Now, you may want to reuse some of the old work surfaces and kitchen cupboards somewhere else in the home. They make a great workstation either in the garage or the garden shed.
And also, with your kitchen units, what can't be reused could possibly be recycled or even free-cycled.